Getting your Wisconsin insurance license? This guide covers the exact steps to pass the life and health exams. First, understand that in Wisconsin, you're not taking one combined exam. You must pass two separate tests: the Life Insurance Exam, Series 2201, and the Accident and Health Exam, Series 2203. Both are administered by PSI on behalf of the Wisconsin Office of the Commissioner of Insurance. This means you'll need to schedule, pay for, and sit for each exam independently. Planning for two distinct tests from the start is the first key to organizing your study plan and avoiding surprises. Let's look at the format for each exam because they are structured identically. You'll face 100 scored multiple-choice questions plus 5 unscored pretest questions. You can't tell which are which, so answer every one. You have 120 minutes, or about 1.2 minutes per question, to complete the test. A passing score is 70%, and the fee to take each exam is $75. You can take the exam at a PSI test center or remotely from home. Here's the most critical piece of information for passing. Wisconsin state law and regulations make up 35% of both the life exam and the health exam. This is the single largest topic area by a wide margin. Many candidates fail by focusing too much on general insurance concepts and not enough on Wisconsin-specific rules found in statutes like Chapter 628. To pass on your first try, you must make Wisconsin insurance regulations the primary focus of your study time. Before you can even schedule your exams, you must complete pre-licensing education. Wisconsin requires 20 hours of approved coursework for each line of authority. That's 20 hours for life and another 20 for health. However, the 8-hour general insurance and ethics portion doesn't need to be repeated if you study for both lines together. This creates an efficient path of 32 total hours. Once you pass your course final exam, your certificate of completion is valid for 1 year. Because state law is so heavily tested, memorizing key Wisconsin-specific numbers is essential. For example, know the 31-day grace period for life policies, the 2-year incontestability period, and the 30-day free look period for replacement policies. For the health exam, you'll need to know about Badger Care Plus, particularly the 306% federal poverty level income limit for children and pregnant people. These specific details are frequent exam questions, so don't overlook them in your review. They are easy points if you know them. Passing your exam is a huge step, but you're not licensed just yet. After your score posts, which can take 48 to 72 hours, you have 180 days to apply for your license through NIPR. The application involves a $10 fee plus a $75 license fee per line. You will also need to get fingerprinted through FieldPrint, which costs about $35. Following these steps correctly ensures your hard work studying results in an active producer license without any delays. Now you know the exact structure of the Wisconsin exams and the key areas to focus on. Don't leave your success to chance by studying generic material. Our complete, free Wisconsin Life and Health Exam Guide at Open Exam Prep covers every topic outline, all the state-specific laws, and includes free practice questions to test your knowledge under timed conditions. Visit openexamprep.com to start studying smarter and pass on your first try.